Hi there, welcome back to our programming course. Today we're going to talk about Elif statements, which is short form for else-if statements. If you've been following our previous lessons, you probably already know that if and else blocks allows us to execute code based on whether a condition is true or false. But what if we need to check multiple conditions? That's where the Elif statement comes in. Let's consider a scenario where you're building a game that involves collecting coins. You want to give the player a different message depending on how many coins they've collected. Here's how you can achieve that with Elif statements. Let's take a quick look at the syntax of the Elif statements. Just like with if statements, you can start with a keyword followed by a condition and a column. Then you indent the code that you want to execute if the condition is true. Remember, the Elif block will only be executed if the previous if or elif block's condition was false. In this example, this code is checking how many coins have been collected in a game. If the player has collected 20 or more coins, it will print "You are a coin collecting machine." If the player has collected at least 10 coins, it will print "Congratulations on your progress." Otherwise, if the player has collected less than 10 coins, it will print "Keep collecting those coins." Here's another example using elif statements to verify someone's age. In this example, we find the elif statement there as well. So let's explain what this code does. This code checks the age of a person and prints a message based on their age. If the person is between 18 and 21 inclusive, it prints "You can vote but can't drink." If the person is 21 or older, it prints "You can vote and drink." And if the person is younger than 18, it prints "You can't vote or drink yet." Finally, here's an example that checks if a number is even or divisible by 3. In this example, the code checks if the number 15 is even or divisible by 3. It does this by dividing 15 by 2 and checking if there is a remainder. Modulus operator is used. Since 15 divided by 2 has a remainder of 1, it is not even. Next, it checks if 15 is divisible by 3. And since it is, it prints the number is divisible by 3. In summary, you can use if, elif, and else statement to execute different code based on multiple conditions. And the best part is, there's no limit to how many conditions you can check. Let your imagination run wild and create your own unique examples. That's it for today's lesson on elif statements. We hope you found this informative and that you can apply what you've learned to your own projects. Don't forget to practice writing code with if, elif, and else statements. And if you ever need a quick reference, check out our cheat sheet in the next reading. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.